Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I would like to talk about Colchicum Waterlily. It's a double form which doesn't make seeds, and I planted three 24 plus bulbs. Each had three shoots, and they are flowering very late. This is now early November, and you can see that the flowers start white, and when the sun shines on them they turn pink. These are very late. You can see all the left of the Colchicum autumnale is now almost totally finished. So here's one and here's another one. Because when they harvest it in the Netherlands, they put them in a cooling, so below 10 degrees, and this will stop the flowers from emerging, because they emerge when they collect enough heat. So now they collected enough heat, and you can see that there are a lot of stems and flowers, fortunately, and I'm very happy about it. And in spring it will make so big leaves, so I always put a name tag which plant it should be, so I don't accidentally get rid of it. I got off the shading from my Convallaria collection. This is a lovely Arum Italicum. Of course there are also weeds, so I have to weed them, and I got some seeds to collect, so I will do that. And you can see most of my plants are now dormant. Some pulmonarias are really nice. These are seed grown. They accidentally got mixed in the roots and they germinated very nicely. So the hostas are all frozen down now, and our cat is there, Timike. Say hello, Timike. She doesn't understand English or Hungarian, so whatever. I still have a couple of lavenders to pick. These were cuttings, unrooted cuttings, stick in February in this soil, and most of them took, so I'm very happy. I got my lovely yuccas. Unfortunately, there has been some issues with this soil. Most of my yuccas rotted in this, so I have to put them in new soil before the winter, which is not really good for them, but we have to do what we have to do. So thank you for your attention, and see you next time. Bye bye.